All right, people of the group. There he goes. Look, guys, the second time making this video, okay? Because when I make the videos, sometimes I found things that shouldn't be the way they are. Then I changed them. I had to go and change them. It wasn't the video wasn't bad, but it wasn't simple enough. Showing you simple enough, so I had to go and do it again. So first thing, multiple accounts. That's one Pedro's questions. And you used to do that. Look, you don't need multiple accounts. What you really need to work on is on your TikTok brains, okay? Because the TikTok brains, look, people on TikTok are absolutely time wasters. Nobody's doing nothing there that we're doing. Even those guys selling on TikTok. People who make money on TikTok is the girls dancing, okay, showing their asses. That's the ones. That's the ones who are making real money there. Everything else, guys, is a complete waste of time. But it's creating TikTok brains, and TikTok brains, guys, you're not gonna get anywhere, right? So first thing is the multiple accounts. Do you really need multiple accounts? Rule number one, okay, you need to know your tools, right? Because in this framework, in this software that I created, this is not a bot, guys. Okay, this is a framework, and it took a long time to get here. It's great, but it's gonna get better. Okay, over time it's gonna get better. And if you think you can beat it, I will tell you now, you won't. Okay, you won't, because even now you think you can do better, you are misled into believe you can, but you can't. Okay, so this is a multi-asset framework. You can use it automated, fully automated, or you can put your own manual settings and let it run. Opens, closes positions, and manages your capital. Right. So it's very few, if any, out there that do this, because most people, even AI, I got three different types of AI working on this with me, and even AI on their deep search, they say most bots, they call it bots, okay, and they straight away say what they see on my code. This is way more than just a bot. It's a framework, it's engineering, okay, because most people just want sending it 1,000 lines maximum, put it on the charts and see if he threw spaghetti into the wall. If he sticks, good. Most of the times it won't stick. You get burned, right? So this is a framework, semi-automated. You can work with it together to get far. Okay, if you want to go far, go together. If you want to go fast, go alone. Right? This is absolutely right. Now, unlike every professional, you need to know your tools. Okay, so instead of having multiple accounts, multiple brokers, having to obey by different rules and all that, you can have just one broker. Okay, so like I said, first know your tools. So the first thing you should know is your MT5. Your MT5 is got everything you need. Okay, and if the broker is good, you also can go to assets, see your assets, and if you go down here on a blank space and you right click, you go, guys, you go anything you want. Okay, any type of market, even big shit. Okay, you find it all here. Okay, it's all on this little box. Idol, show all symbols, anything. Okay, Forex all, Forex cross. Guys, you can even add any market you want. Okay, what does this mean? It means you can have multiple assets, right? What I'm about to show you here. Okay, this just turned 100. Okay, 100 in 13 assets into 2,300 in 3 weeks. Right now, today is Sunday, right? It took 3 weeks to do that, and we can see it, right? Not only you can add multiple assets on the same broker if you got a good broker, not only whatever you want, okay, currency, index, My God, you know, instead of putting everything and spreading things to my, you know, they say there's no good to have all the eggs in the same basket in case the basket falls and it breaks. Okay, but sometimes you have to make things manageable, which is basically what the engine is doing. The engine, if we go to view and you go to view reports, okay, again on MT5, this is just MT5, it tells you exactly what's been going on, what you've done, and this is why I can see what's been going on in the last 3 weeks. Okay, turning 100 to 700 profit right there, right? So, you know, look, know your tools. Drop the TikTok brain and know your tools, right? Uh, and there you go. So this is a TikTok style video, just to show you a small. This was a TikTok style of what MT5 has to offer. If you just look and see what you have in your hands, okay, from manual trades to trading bots. So this is trading bots is automated. Manual is what you did manually. Um, Symbols, okay, there's your symbols all there. Tells you which ones are, sideways and going up. Which ones you traded, how much you made them, this point scoring, everything's in here, okay. To risk, the ones that took more risk, what risk it was, okay. Drawdowns to, you know, look, go and have a quick look, a quick monk about in this TikTok style video showing you what your first thing has to offer. So I'm going to extend a little bit as well. We're going to go here to the market as well. I'm going to show you here, what's going on here. The sweeps, the bullish sweeps, the signals, the indicators. Look, everything that is up there, we got it. Okay, but we don't have it like, uh, Bollinger Bands. You can use that. Is already available on MT5. Okay, you find those in here. But if you want to use them, they already exist as visual indicators, like the sweeps, bullish sweeps, bearish sweeps, support, previous day highs, previous day lows, everything we got here. But all indicators come down to two indicators. All indicators you see out there come down to two indicators, and that is RSI and MAs. All of them are based on these indicators. Every single one of them, right? And it doesn't matter what you go, where they coded, whatever they coded, all of them. If you look at Bollinger Bands, what is Bollinger Bands? It's NOIC, previous day high, previous day low. That's what Bollinger Bands are. Nothing else, right? Nothing else. Then any indicator, guys, it comes down to these two indicators, MAs and RSI. Every single one of them, right? And then there's volumes, the volumes, and guys, everything you need is on this EA. It's on my software, my framework, as every single thing you need. Like I said, it was semi-automated or fully automated or manually. Okay, combined both, whatever you want to do it. Just look through and pay special attention to block 44. So you see the block there, EA block, 25 EA block. You go down to 44. Also, I have corrected the numbers. This is why I stopped the last video, because I needed to correct these numbers, because then that makes it easy for us to find the exact line we want to see. So that's your block 44 EA block, 44 EA block, and this is part of the brain. Okay, so you go 44, and above 44, you go back, go 41, 40. So 40, 41, 39, 40, 41, and 44. This is basically the brain of the system. Okay, this is the brain of the software. This is where you control where to enter, when you enter, you buy, sells, everything is mainly going to be based on this from 40 to 44. Then all the rest is esters. Okay, esters that you're going to use, you can either use them as override. If you see override, means it overrides any other decision, goes over it and takes the entry. Um, or you use them as a combine, allow them to fire together, or even individually, right? But follow the direction of the market. So this is another video I have to make. So this one is already more than just a TikTok, but it's just giving you a key, just giving you here where you at and what you're gonna look for. I'll see you on the next video.